channel for conscious vegans. My name is T. If this is your first time, welcome. So now I'm just finally getting home. So I've been doing grocery hauls for a minute. You know, if you go through my page, you see I got a couple grocery hauls. But in my opinion, this is my best grocery haul to date. You know, all my previous grocery hauls, I had a lot of processed foods. And, you know, a lot of foods is, even though vegan, but it's kind of bad for you. And, you know, I always say, you know, eat to live and not live to eat. But a lot of products that I was shopping and showing y'all guys are not products that, you know, are products that are for you to, you know, eat to live and not live to eat. You feel me? On that type of time. And, you know, I became more conscious of, you know, the way I've been eating and shopping, you know, when my father passed. You know, it was you know, a lot of things that I was, you know, eating, showing you guys, you know, he had in his freezer, you feel me? And I started to take a look at a lot of things that I've been eating. I wanted to show y'all guys and just wanted to eat more healthier. And it's been a minute since I did a grocery haul, and we've been shopping like this for the last couple months. And y'all can see the difference. We had way more, you know, produce than we did before. A lot of times y'all see we had a lot of frozen mock meats, but this time we got, like I said, a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing I want to show you guys, we're going to start with the vegetables and the fruit. And the 3 stores that I went to were, I went to Whole Foods, I went to Mom Organics, and for the first time I shopped at, well, showing y'all guys, because we've been shopping at Amazon Fresh, but Amazon Fresh as well. So, like I was saying, let's start with the vegetables. Here we have some kale. Here I got the kale. Got a whole bunch of kale. So with kale, you know, Tina, she be making smoothies with it. You can put it in the air fryer. You can, a lot of times she put it in her wraps, making her kale wraps. These will definitely be good. Next we got some fresh broccoli. We got some key lime. Emphasis on the key part. Key limes are alkaline, and for all those who still don't know what alkaline is, I'll put a link down below to my video where I explain what alkaline is. But key limes are alkaline. We use these to make our, you know, our water alkaline, or we make our ginger shots. Next, we got some mangoes. This is my favorite fruit, right here. We got some oranges. So I just got Tina a new citrus juicer. It's like a hand juicer. So she gonna be like juicing these, and we already got like a regular juicer already. But she wanted a citrus juicer so she can make fresh orange juice. We got some small yellow potatoes. And Tina's making some deviled eggs, some vegan deviled eggs. We had those for Thanksgiving. And on our Instagram, if you're not following us on our Instagram, please do so at Peace Love Vegan 420. You know, a couple people wanted to know, you know, how do we make the deviled eggs? What was our recipe? So I got the yellow potatoes for Tina so she can make the video for that recipe. So if you're interested in watching that video, you know, please comment down below. Like, yo, I'm interested. Next we got right here, we got some zucchini, right here, zucchini, and we got some cucumbers. So with the zucchini, Tina, she just cut them up in like a slice, make like zucchini bacon. And definitely, when she crisp it the right way, it definitely be taking that bacon taste, cause she dip it in some smoke. You know, she be doing her thing. So zucchini, bacon, and cucumbers. Slice up the cucumbers, put it in a salad. You know what it is. Next, we got blueberries. I started really come around to eating blueberries. So I've been shopping a lot lately for blueberries because it tastes pretty good. They do. We got some apples. I got a whole bunch of apples. Since we got a juicer, and now we got a food processor as well. Tina wanna make some like applesauce at home for the baby, and some fresh applesauce. We got some baby bananas, alkaline as well. Got one single carrot Tina and I, we're doing a challenge. We have a video coming up, fruits versus vegetable challenge. So we started to do more challenge videos. So if you into challenge videos, if you're not following us, please do so. You know, because we're doing it more of that. Got some avocado. Tina love avocados. Got these avocados. Next we got some barrel bananas right here. Got the barrel ones. And she used those to make like, she cut them up like slices, and when they're green, she make like barrel fries, like just like French fries. Next, we're gonna get to the. I got some more. Where's my bag? We got some frozen green beans. See, I've been limited the limit on the frozen items we be getting. I only got like 3 items that's frozen. Some frozen green beans again, and some frozen strawberries. Next, we get to like the sweeteners. So right here, I got some agave sweetener right there for y'all guys. Agave. Then we got that date syrup. I might have to come up close with that date syrup because everybody not hip to that date syrup. Got that date syrup right there. I mean, it's pretty good too. Then we got some more raw guave. Got some more raw right here for y'all guys right here. So lately I've been taking some alkaline herbs, and I plan on doing a video. I did one video on IGTV talking about dandelion and the benefits of dandelion as an herb. And again, if you're not following us on Instagram, you know, follow us. You know, watch my dandelion video. Look for that. But I can't swallow pills. So since I can't swallow pills, and I got these alkaline herbs, and I want to take them, they're in capsule form. So I just open up the capsule like a baby. I'm not gonna lie, like a baby. And I use applesauce, put some in the applesauce, and I, you know, get my alkaline herb. I gotta get it anyway. Gotta get it any way possible. I can't let excuses stop me. That's the thing. And for all those, like, if you're really interested in eating healthy, please do it. Do it now. The time is now. You know, one thing I can say I learned from my, you know, my father's passing was procrastination kills. He knew a lot of things that I speak on, I talk about. Yet, you know, he let procrastination kill him. You know, he had the book How Not to Die. Like now I got it and I'm reading it. The book was fresh. The pages wasn't even creased. But anyhow, applesauce so I can take my alkaline herbs. Tina ordered this off of Amazon, fresh tahini. Like a tahini, there we go. Coconut amino, so all those soy sauce are not good for you, you know. And whatever you think it is, listen, to each his own. I'm just trying to educate people, you know. So the alternative that we use is coconut amino. Got some. Tina ordered some Amino green. And I've been doing some research on this, and I found a couple good benefits of this. But you know, Tina uses this to she haven't used this one, but she uses it to make, like, how many people remember Tang? Remember that orange drink Tang with like they had like the gorilla and the monkey in the commercial? Tang for the kids. It has the same type of taste when you put it in water. Listen, I'll make a video explaining the benefits of this right here. You know, if you're interested, comment down below. Like, you know, get the spelling of it, comment down below, and I'll definitely make a video, you know, how we use it and, you know, the benefits of it just for you guys. Next, I'm gonna get into the, well, I got the grape blueberry. You know, we all know grape jelly. Got the grape jelly. You know, nothing's great. It's great. So next we're gonna get to the flours. So we got chickpea flour right here. We got some spelt flour. Tina be using these spelt flour to make some waffles or some She uses the spelt flour to make some waffles or like some pancakes, things like that. And the chickpea flour, she made like chickpea burgers out of this. And then we got raw flour as well. And she uses this to make like her breads and things. But if you're interested in any recipe video with using these flours, you know, please comment down below and she'll definitely make the video. I've been telling Tina, I was like, yo, people want to know. They want to see. And I don't think she believed in me. So if you comment down below, I promise you she'll make the video for you guys. She's not doing it for me, but she'll do it for y'all. So comment down below, like, Tina, we want to see a recipe video. Stop playing. Stop. She be playing too much. So next we got some garbanzo beans. You already know garbanzo beans. We got that quinoa. Quinoa. There we go. Got a whole bag full of it. Quinoa. Then we got the quinoa flakes, yo. Yo, let me see. For all those, I got a video up telling the benefits of, you know, quinoa flakes and over grits, and why quinoa flakes and spelt flakes is better than oatmeal and grits. You know, it's a better alternative. So look for that video. Click that link down below because that video should be posted already. Click that link down below for that video. The benefits of quinoa flakes over, you know, grits. And so it's gonna be saying quinoa flakes. I just want to say it. A healthier alternative to grits and oatmeal. Like that. That's gonna be the video. Next, we got black lentils. We got some white rice. If it ain't wrong, it's right. White rice. Next, got that spelt flakes, like I was just telling y'all guys about. Got that spelt flakes. So Tina don't make her own milk. So usually she'll make like almond milk or like walnut milk. That's why I got the walnuts right here. Cause if I don't eat them raw, she use it to make like milk. So, and she also used it to make meat, the grilled meat. And I was like, a couple people commented on the tacos she made. Like she put like the walnut meat on it. And they was like, yo, they wanted a video. That's on my Facebook group. We got a Facebook group as well. Peace, Love, Vegan 420. Look it up on Facebook. And they was like, they wanted to see a recipe, but Tina's more so on YouTube. She really like manages YouTube. So if you comment down below, say, Tina, we want a walnut meat video. Again, she'll make it for y'all. So next we got coconut milk. And this is 100%. Let's look at the ingredient, please. Only one ingredient. What's that ingredient say? Coconut milk, right? 100% coconut milk, and that's how it should be. So when she don't have time to make her own milk, like I was saying, she uses, you know, coconut milk right here. This 100%. And I'm having a video with what's better, processed versus homemade milk. And in that video, processed versus homemade milk, Tina actually made I think almond milk in that video, so she made a video for me. So I gotta record that video as well, but she already did her part as far as making the milk. So look out for that video as well. So follow, hit that post notification button so you'll see what is up. Processed versus homemade milk, which one is, you know, better? We got some pitted dates. Dates, just showed you date syrup. Now this is a dates at another farm. Put it right in your right in your smoothie. Here you go. Let's get into the pasta. So we got some chickpea pasta right here. All chickpea pasta ain't the same. So look at this right here, all the same. It's all about the ingredients. And this ingredients right here, it has organic chickpea flour, organic yellow lentil flour, and organic red lentil flour. You know, some other chickpea brands be having absorbent acid. They be having different other preservatives in there. Like, no, I just want straight chickpea. And I think, let me see. Another one, Rotimi Chickpea. And this ingredient right here is what? Chickpea. And that's how it should be. You should have one ingredient. and what it is, what you're trying to eat. So remember, always look at your ingredients to see what's all in there. Got a video coming up too. Got a lot of plans that just showing y'all what ingredients are bad for you, what ingredients, just showing y'all what ingredients are bad for you, what ingredients are like banned in other countries but are allowed here. And so y'all can just be more conscious of what y'all eating, what y'all what's in your products. Next right here, I got a big box of lentil chips. I made a short little IGTV when I was eating lentil chips for like breakfast or whatever, saying yo, going to the post office and saying how good lentil chips are. So Tina gracefully bought me a whole box of, well, everybody, but you know, I like them. The lentil chips, you know, just a healthier chip. And then we got, this another box on here is the Aqua banana water. You know, y'all know I like the Mountain Valley water. So that water, let me move it out of the way a little bit. You can see right there, but y'all know what I'm talking about. I think I got a bottle over here. Let me see real quick. Right here, so we got a whole box of this, and that's alkaline water as well, 8.5. It's more affordable, you know, alkaline water, so that's why she got a whole box of it. So we got a box of that as well. And I forgot to show y'all these too. Tina been real hype over these the last couple of months, but it's straight cherry juice, 100% cherry juice. The OD is 100% juice. A lot of the juice don't say that they have other juices in there, but it's 100% cherry juice. And cherry juice got so many benefits. I got an IGTV video coming up explaining the benefits of cherry juice and why guys, y'all should just incorporate this in your diet more. If y'all not drinking cherry juice, look up for that video and just start drinking it. Drink it, it's good for you. It's good for you. It's great for you, actually, great. Not good. And yeah, that's everything. So this grocery haul, like, to me, is way healthier than my previous grocery hauls. Y'all seen, like I said, a lot of times, my other grocery haul had a lot of Beyond Meat burger, you know, a lot of processed foods, and nothing against those. You know, a lot of people, it take time to transition into vegan, but at the end of the day, like I told y'all, I want to eat to live and not live to eat. And it's all about now. You feel me? You gotta eat for your future now. Because what you eat for today, it's going to affect you tomorrow. And a lot of people are not conscious about that. So I'm starting to make more people that's following me conscious about that. Because at the end of the day, I want everybody to live as long as possible. That's the goal. That's what I want to do. So yeah, I hope everyone enjoyed this grocery haul. Like I said, this is my best grocery haul to date. My healthiest one. Appreciate all the love and support y'all guys have been giving me. Been giving me a whole lot of support. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Please subscribe. You know, hit that post notification button. Because we got more videos coming. We got any more videos coming. Like I said, challenges. Me and Saya, you know, my daughter, we doing versus videos. You know, I got my sons. They gonna be doing videos as well too, because they like doing videos. I got a whole bunch of videos. But at the end of the day, the whole message behind each video is just to get people to eat to live and not live to eat. And you know, I just want to create, just give people knowledge. So continue following us. Please continue showing support and love. You know, like I always say, dare to be vegan. Peace.